Hey guys, so let me fix this. So my day at Cannes is complete. We are actually leaving in a little bit. The cruise is actually leaving to Palma de Mallorca, Spain. Woohoo! And then from there we're gonna go to Barcelona, and then in Barcelona we're gonna stay 2 days, and then from there we're gonna fly back to Miami. This city is absolutely beautiful. I highly recommend for you guys to come on Norwegian on this specific cruise. It is absolutely awesome. So let's go. Let's go have some dinner because I'm starving.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning everyone. Today we are making our way to Palma de Mallorca, and behind me, I don't know if you can see it very well, there we go. It's actually a very gloomy day. I'm actually now in my balcony, but last night we were able to find some excursions, and we're gonna go to one where they're gonna teach us how they make pearls, and they're gonna take us inside caves, so that's exciting. As an excursion, we made our way to Mallorca Orquídea. I believe this is the name of the place. If you're into pearls, jewelry, then this is an excursion to consider. Otherwise, I just suggest you skip it. We then made our way to the caves known as Cuevas de Genoa. It was still raining by then, and the floor was very slippery to the point that people were falling on their back. Keep that in mind. Take shoes that are not slippery.
Der Weg, den ich oft in Gedanken.
Hey everyone, so we just made it to the cave. I really can't talk because there's a tour guide talking, but I'm gonna show you guys around. These caves were discovered in 1906 and are all communicated through natural corridors. There's even a little show for you to enjoy.
A few inches later.
You guys haven't had these, you totally have to. So we just bought this. We have dulce de leche, brownies, no, vanilla and cookies and cream, right? Oreo. Okay, so we have dulce de leche, we have Oreo and chocolate chip. Yummy. After this excursion, we made our way back to the cruise and had dinner. At the end of this video, I'm going to be including a playlist dedicated just to Norwegian Epic, so that you can see all the cities that we visited and all the excursions we did. I hope you loved this week's video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. I'll see you soon. Bye.